Are you ready to witness the outstanding power of the Rotten H21D combined with the LogMax 7000C mining head? Let's explore the ability to conquer all terrains and the incredible mining performance of this perfect duo. Rotten H21D and LogMax 7000C mining head are the perfect duo in the forestry industry. The strong design of the Rotten H21D helps it overcome all terrains, from dense forests to difficult lands. Combined with the LogMax 7000C logging head, wood processing becomes fast and efficient. Don't miss the opportunity to witness this combination and discover how the Rotten H21D and LogMax 7000C turn logging into true art. John Deere 1470G. More than just a mining machine, this is a mobile technology center in the middle of the green forest. Let's explore with Mechanical 360 the smart features and outstanding power of this machine. John Deere 1470G is a masterpiece in the forestry industry. This is not simply a logging machine, but also a mobile technology center with outstanding smart features. From the automatic control system, remote monitoring to powerful performance on all terrains, the John Deere 1470G is truly an incredible machine. Join us to further explore the advanced features and technology of the John Deere 1470G and why it has become the top choice of forestry professionals around the world. Senebogen 718, a versatile giant in the forestry industry, ready to conquer any challenge. From loading and unloading giant blocks of wood in the deep forest to trimming small tree branches around the city, Senebogen 718 proves to be a true technological wonder. Its powerful and flexible design not only optimizes work performance, but also ensures maximum safety and time savings for the user. Each function of the Senebogen 718 is designed for outstanding performance and maximum convenience. Discover all of this with us in a special video on Mechanical 360. Don't miss the opportunity. We see the perfect combination of power and cutting-edge technology, where every job becomes a true art. TigerCat X822D powerful mining, TigerCat 1075C efficient transport, the perfect duo for every logging site. Join us to find out why TigerCat is the top choice of experts. TigerCat X822D and TigerCat 1075C are a powerful duo in the logging industry. TigerCat X822D stands out with its powerful mining ability, processing all types of wood quickly and effectively. Combined with the TigerCat 1075C, a flexible and efficient transporter, we have a perfect duo to help increase productivity and work efficiency. state-of-the-art sawmill in Oregon that uses the most advanced technology. You'll see every step of the production process wood, from exploitation to final product. This experience will help you better understand technology and breakthroughs in the wood industry. Join us to explore every aspect of Oregon sawmills and feel the perfect combination of modern technology and traditional craftsmanship. The Limber 8541 processor gives us the feeling of witnessing a vivid piece of engineering history right before our eyes. Built in Sweden in the late 1960s, this machine is a testament to remarkable innovation. With a 3-axle trolley chassis, it is equipped with a lime separator unit that uses a pair of lime separator heads with fixed and surrounding blades, ensuring perfect lime separation quality. The machine's crane can extend up to 12 meters and move at a speed of 2.5 meters per second, capable of handling large logs with a butt diameter of up to 60 centimeters. This is truly a masterpiece of engineering innovation. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to improve future videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest updates from us. Thank you so much, and see you soon.